Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a virtual environment in Python is a common practice to manage dependencies and isolate project-specific packages. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a virtual environment using the built-in venv module in Python. Open your terminal or command prompt on your computer. This could be the terminal on macOS/Linux or command prompt/PowerShell on Windows. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where you want to create your Python virtual environment. Run the following command to create a virtual environment named venv. You can replace venv with any other name you prefer. If you're using Python 3.3 or older, you might need to use virtualenv. Activate the virtual environment. The activation command varies depending on your operating system. On Windows, command prompt. On Windows, PowerShell. On macOS/Linux. Once activated, you'll see the virtual environment's name in your command prompt or terminal. Now that your virtual environment is active, you can use pip to install Python packages without affecting your system-wide Python installation. Replace package_name with the name of the package you want to install. When you're done working in your virtual environment, you can deactivate it using the following command. If you close your terminal or work on your project later, you need to reactivate the virtual environment using the activation command from step 4. Congratulations! You've successfully created and used a virtual environment in Python. This is a valuable practice for managing dependencies and ensuring a clean and isolated environment for your projects. ChatGPT. Creating and managing virtual environments in Python is a crucial skill for any developer. Virtual environments allow you to isolate your project's dependencies, ensuring that your project has its own set of libraries and packages without interfering with the global Python environment. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating and activating a virtual environment in Python. Before you start creating virtual environments, you need to install virtualenv. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Once virtualenv is installed, you can create a virtual environment for your project. Navigate to the directory where you want to create your project and execute the following command. This command will create a directory named venv that contains the virtual environment for your project. Activate the virtual environment based on your operating system. After activation, you should see the virtual environment's name in your terminal prompt, indicating that you are now working within the virtual environment. Now that your virtual environment is active, you can use pip to install project-specific dependencies without affecting the global Python environment. For example, when you're done working on your project, you can deactivate the virtual environment using the following command. To keep track of your project's dependencies, you can create a requirements.txt file. This file can be used to install all the dependencies at once. To generate the requirements.txt file, run. And to install dependencies from the requirements.txt file. Creating and managing virtual environments is an essential skill for Python developers. It helps maintain a clean and isolated environment for each project, preventing conflicts between dependencies. Make sure to activate your virtual environment before working on your project and deactivate it when you're finished. This practice ensures a consistent and reproducible development environment. ChatGPT.